Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to merge three columns of data into one in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Already copy to this formula, click anywhere, press Ctrl V and see this note to this formula A2, see this A2 cells and B2, B2, C2, C2 here. Press enter. Double click autofill and remove to this name. Keep only to this cells. Press Ctrl C. Click in here, right click on your mouse, paste special values only. Then remove, press delete align middle and move anywhere. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.